Hi, Jason here from TGN. Today I'm unboxing the latest and newest UniFi Cloud Gateway, which is the UDM-Beast. Okay, so this is a 3-machine beast. Let's go on, unbox this further and see what's inside. Alright, so without much ado, I'm going to open it up. Right, and I'm going to start this open. Right, so the form factor is similar to UDM Pro Max. Right, so in here you have all your accessories and your power cord. I'm not going to talk about that. Now let me pull out this cute little baby, and you will see on the table what we have. Okay. Alright. Let's put it down. Let me remove this. Okay, first thing first, let's look at the front. Okay, so the front here you have your usual, you have your touch panel, okay, your touch screen, and you have 2 hard drive bay. Alright, this is a full-fledged cloud gateway which allows you to run network, protect, okay, and of course your access and your connect and your talk. Alright, so over here you have 4 SFP plus ports. Alright, so you have 2 10Gs and 2 25G. Alright, and at the same time you have 8, okay, you have 8 10Gs here. Okay, so these are 10Gs, alright, on copper. Port 9 is what you can use for a copper 10G. Alright, on the other hand, port 2 is what you can use for a shadow mode, and of course you still have your port 1. Right, for the WAN ports, they have actually designated by default as port 9 and port 13. Alright, port 13 is SFP28 for the 25G. Okay, so if you're going to use a DAC cable, you've got to use the SFP28 DAC cable, or else for the other 10G you can use a usual DAC cable. Okay, so for the back, okay, look at the number of fans we have, so you'll know that how much heat is emitting, so you got to take care of that. Right, and this is the usual, the lock for the power cord. Okay, there's 5 fans here, so you're going to get a bit loud. Alright, other than that, there's also a network port for the console. Okay, and there's of course where you have your redundant power system. It doesn't have dual power. We need to buy the smart power for this. Okay, your RPS. Okay, so other than that, this is a very quick run through of the unboxing for the UDM-Beast. We're going to have some more videos coming up to show you what you can do with this guy, and keep a lookout for it. Alright, if it's good, nice, please remember to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.